Hey guys, we just got a ton of rain. It was enough to make the wash flow. The wash flow. Don't that sound like a hillbilly? This will be the first flow of the year for this area, anyhow. And it's not the worst I've ever seen. I've seen where all this is covered in water. Either way, it's still pretty cool. Good afternoon, everybody. I got up early and started working on the step van conversion. Man, I'm dirty because I want to get a lot of it done before it got too hot. Now the sun's out, it's already starting to get hot, so I didn't record none of the work I did because it was dark when I started. But let me get you turned around here and I'll show you what we've got done so far. Alright, there's the top of the step van. I've got a 300 watt panel right there. I got it installed and I got the roof fan open, got it running. I got that panel installed, hooked up, going, charging the battery already. If you look right there, later on I'm gonna put one more right there. I got a 200 watt Renogy, I think a fit right there. I don't know, I have to measure. I'm on top of the Chinook right now. I think I'm gonna take, not this one, but that 200 watt one and put it right there. So let me climb down here without breaking my leg. Oh, and we'll take a look. There's a motorcycle. I think I'm fixing to sell that. All right, here's the inside of the camper van, or the step van. Right now I just got one battery hooked up because I'm just in the testing phase, getting everything hooked up. There's the charge controller. There's my fuse panel. Just got it wired up. And right now I just got the fan running off of it. And I decided to put, I'm gonna clean all these wires up. Don't you worry. I decided to put the batteries on this side because it has that vent. I was gonna put the diesel heater here, but I think I'll do the batteries right here. Put the diesel heater on the other side. Anywho, this is what I've got done so far, so let me keep chugging along. We'll see if we can get her knocked out today, have all the power. Alright, everything's coming along nicely. I just installed my little cluster here that tells the voltage of my battery. I got that wired up wrong. Anyway, got the 12 volt plug in, which is what I'm running my double fans on. And if I can get this on, and 2 USBs. That's pretty cool, USBs lit up like that. I didn't know it did that. Anywho, get back on there. I decided there was already a hole cut out there. As you can see the light coming in behind it. I decided to go ahead and utilize that. And then I'm going to fill that in, the backspace behind it, I'm going to fill all that in with insulation, foam insulation. The reason I decided to go ahead and use that hole instead of cutting another one, I've got the back doors open, so I've got all these holes, plenty of ventilation, so it's not going to hurt to lose that one. I've got the ceiling fan cooking. Man, that thing makes a world of difference in here. You wouldn't believe it. Before, you can see it's sunny and bright and hot. Speaking of which, I need to get Russ in. He's getting some outside time, but it's starting to get hot. I need to take him in. But anywho, you remember the other day, as soon as I walked in here, I was just sweating my butt off. Well, now that I got the fantastic fan, you can have it blowing in or drawn out, and I've got it drawn out right now. I don't know what the temperature is in here, but it's very comfortable. I mean, I could actually lay down and take a nap. It's really that comfortable in here. Of course, it's only about noontime. My little kitchen's still looking good. It's only about noontime, so you know, it's not the hottest part of the day. But it's pretty warm out there, and in here it feels great. That's pretty cool. I got the fan on high and it looks like it's barely turning. Anywho, so I got the fantastic fan running. I've got these two double fanners running off of one battery, and it's still 13.9. But I do have that 300 watt panel up there now. I'm so glad I got it and got this done, because I've procrastinating about getting this solar put on, and I decided this morning I'm just going to get up and knock it out. So that's what I did. I got up pretty early. Didn't get no footage of it because it was dark outside. Of course, I've got a security light right here on security. I got a security light right over here on the side of the building, so I could see pretty good, but it wouldn't have been good for recording. Anywho, I got this killer kitchen light mounted up there. Made it super bright in here. I know it's daytime, but you can still tell the difference. Turn off. Turn off. And I got this other one right here. Let me put these cords up here before I lose them. Little charging cords. I'll just throw them in that cabinet. I got this other light. I'm not 100% sure where I want to put it. I'm thinking maybe like over here or over here. I might put it over here. I don't know. My 12 volt RV lights I ordered from Amazon still haven't came in. I've started a lot of the wiring, as you can see on the floor. I haven't put the loom on it yet, and you know, got it looking pretty good because I still got more stuff to do. But I can't wait on the lights any longer. I've got to start the wiring process because it takes so long, or it takes me a long time. So I said to heck with them lights. I just went ahead and started wiring things up, which I'm glad I did. Like the fan, man, that's a game changer. It's really so nice in here. I could take a nap. But I know I've said that before. So this light, I'm thinking, because I got one here, and that's gonna kind of, this whole area, now it'll be dark up here a little bit, but this whole area, that light will light that up. So I think I'm gonna put this one, I don't know, I was kind of thinking right here. Oh yeah, I got to trim paint today. I forgot about that. I hate painting. But anyhow, I may put it over here. You know what? I think I'll just put it right here in the middle. That's what I'm going to do. Give me just a minute. I'm going to put the light up. Alrighty, I put it right there. I think that's going to work. And I also put a little dab of, you can't hardly see it. Yeah, you can. I put this little dab of liquid nail down the length of it. Because that old two-sided tape, after a while, it gets to where it don't hold very good. So instead of struggling with that later on, I'll just go ahead and knock it out now. But I think that's all I'm going to do today. Maybe till this afternoon. Got quite a bit done. Got some wiring ran. Got the fan going. Got 300 watt solar on the roof. Got my little, whatever you want to call that, supply area done. Let me turn this fan off while I'm thinking about it. I gotta jump back up. We'll go around back here and I'll show you the solar one more time. You know, I got the 300 watt panel on the roof. I showed you that. Man, I got a mess back here. All this wiring to get straight. But for right now, I just got the one battery in here. Got the charge controller. Look like it's doing good. And I got my fuse panel. So right now I just got accessories. And the only sticker I had said fan override. But I know what that means. This means the fan. But anywho, I believe that's going to be all I'm going to do today until I this afternoon, a little bit later on. It's getting hot out here. We'll shut her down. And this is the old Chinook. The old Dodge Chinook. I might be putting it up for sale. I don't know yet. I keep saying stuff like that, then I don't do it. But I might be putting it up for sale. But it's a 1979 Dodge Chinook. 21-foot Class B camper van with an 18-foot living area. It's got brand new tires on it, duals on the back, brand new tires on the front. It's not going to have solar and all that stuff because I'm taking that out, putting it in this other rig here, but it does have a gas refrigerator, gas propane heat, gas hot water heater, which I never used a hot water heater, so I don't know if it works, if it's going to blow up or what. I've never turned that thing on, but the furnace and the refrigerator works great. It has a 25-gallon water tank, 15 gray, 15 black. And it's a pretty decent little rig. It has 72,000 miles on it, I think. But anyway, you gotta remember it's a 79 model. It's not going to have the creature comforts of that big old beast right there. Oh, that's a story for another day. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna knock off right here, call it a good day. So, hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all, my subscribers, my new ones, my family and friends, and I'll catch you back here in a minute. But until I do, God bless you.